Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you tired of feeling pressured to reply instantly on WhatsApp just because someone can see you've read their message? Yeah, those blue ticks can sometimes create unnecessary stress. Well, the good news is you can turn them off, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how. First, let's quickly understand what those blue ticks actually mean. When you see two blue check marks, it simply tells the sender that you've read their message. Helpful sometimes, but not always, especially when you just want to read messages at your own pace. So let's turn them off. Go ahead and open WhatsApp on your phone. Once it opens, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and select Settings. From here, tap on Privacy. This is where WhatsApp lets you control who sees what. Now, scroll a little until you find an option called Read Receipts. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. Go ahead and turn it off. And just like that, the blue ticks are gone. One important thing to keep in mind though, this works both ways. When you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when other people read your messages. Fair trade, right? Now you can read messages calmly, reply when you're ready, and enjoy a little more privacy in your chats. No pressure, no rush. Thanks for watching this quick tip on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.